Hello guys, it's me Alex, and the podcast, or generals, or whatever you guys wanna call it. Oh great, these guys moved here. Hang on, you get a better view. Just look at these angry clouds. I'll zoom in for you guys. And like right there, even though the light is on. Like seriously, it's been lighting since it started. Well, it's raining and she's just enjoying herself out there. Yeah, I don't know if you guys can see, but it's raining a lot. But it shouldn't get flooded. I hope that it doesn't even happen. So anyway, yeah. Oh, and now you're gonna come in after you got dirty, hey? Oh, nope. Are you gonna come in or what? Because I got views. Come on, hurry up. And my views are gonna get angry on my fans. So this light is dead. Except these four. These four are really nice. Like this one is oh my god, I saw that. It was right. Hang on. It was right over there. It went like that. It went like that. So anyway, this light is pointing here. That's pointing over there. This one is pointing here, and this one is pointing here. So anyway, yeah, and these lights are, I mean, these lightings are pretty angry. Don't ask me why, because I'm not a lighting man. So yeah, we'll just see what's gonna happen. I'll just sit here and watch a movie, and if the power cuts out, I have a charger that charges my phone I'm using right now by electricity, and my iPad, which is, it's not mine, it's everyone's iPad, which is fair enough. And it just don't go outside, and we expect rain all this week. About next week, I don't have information about next week, so I'm very sorry guys, but I don't have, and it's hot. It's summer. It's nearly here. I think I don't know how many weeks until Christmas are here. So I'm using my PS4. Well, everyone's PS4. It's fair enough. Starting to sweat. Oh, there was a fan here somewhere. Let me see where it is, guys. Oh, it's here. Yeah, right here it should be, which button? I can tell. So guys, I will see you later, and bye bye.